Hi everyone, my name is Kanika Kush, and today's topic is something that is very close to everybody's heart, and especially women. And why am I speaking about it today is because a very eminent holder of a very eminent position of our country yesterday managed to say something about patriarchy, and that is the point. I mean, she actually said, "What is patriarchy, yaar? I mean, don't let it stop you." Now, I want to give her benefit of doubt and say that okay, maybe she's trying to really uplift women and empower them and tell them that you have it all within you. And if that's the intent, like let's give benefit of doubt. But this video is not meant to. Bring her down. No, the video is that it bothered me. It bothered me quite badly, and that is why the video. This one's for everyone, actually. Everyone that is watching, each and every one of us. Actually, whoever it goes to, men, women, children, different people in different countries, because I feel this could be one of the root causes of a lot of things, you know. And I'm almost 44, so I can actually take my own life, and I'm totally, complicit in falling prey to patriarchy in very invisible ways and not even realizing, and actually giving badhawa to it. In this video, it's my request and an invitation to anybody that is listening to. I'm inviting you to also think with me, instead of like हम करते हैं ना, where when we are listening to any point of view, then we immediately come up with our own to either counter or to agree or disagree. So like we all know now that life is not just about black and white, it is about gray. It is about kind of exploring, examining a little bit and seeing, all right, okay, maybe this point of view has some merit in it. Maybe you want to examine your own selves, your own habits, your own inclinations, and see ये कहाँ बैठ रहा है. Okay, so I'm going to further this, and what I want to say is, let me begin from my own life. Growing up, if I have to give you a little background into myself, I belong to North India, and from Haryana on top of that, which is the seat of patriarchy. And देखा है यार, हर जगह देखा है, ये नहीं करना चाहिए, वो नहीं करना चाहिए, एंड लड़कियां ऐसे नहीं करती, वैसे नहीं करती. ये तो चलो ऊपर ऊपर की बातें हैं. And thanks to my mom, she's made me a bit of a, I would say, a warrior kind of a thing. So, all thanks to her, I have always been questioning everything. And how? Questioning not कि बगावत ही करते रहनी है, नहीं, अंदर से, because I've being a sensitive person, or call me whatever, throughout I've always had this voice telling me what to do, instead of being like dictated by the society. That's just who I am from the beginning, which is why I've had a lot of issues in life as well. But a non-conformist by nature. But today, when I stand in front of you, I realize we are still helpless in the hands of the society and the constructs around it, because I think जो नींव है, जो foundation है of the society, not only in our country, across the world, is based on patriarchy. And for this, I will be making videos also on those books, because there is another playlist, by the way, in this, which is called Bringing Books to You. And it's been a year now that I've been reading a few books around it, because those books are like 800-900 pages, and I'm actually taking notes and trying to understand. But the books that I'm talking about are the following: these two books by Friedrich Engels and Simone de Beauvoir, who have made us understand. सी, जब तक हम ना समझेंगे नहीं कि रूट कॉज क्या है, तब तक तो ऑल वी आर डूइंग इज रिएक्टिंग, वेदर प्रो और एंटी और अगेंस्ट और व्हाटएवर, और डिफेंडिंग, नहीं नहीं आई डोंट डू इट, और सेइंग नो यू डू इट, यही चलता रहता है. नाउ द पॉइंट इज, एंड ऑल्सो कमिंग फ्रॉम द बैकग्राउंड दैट आई कम फ्रॉम, विच इज काउंसलिंग, विच इज अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ साइकोलॉजी, देन that impels me to also use that trait of examination, of observation, of seeing, okay, kya hai ye. Like for example, in my own self, I've seen traits in the past few years of वेरियस थिंग्स, तो एक तो है कि अपने आप को डिफेंड करते रहो कि नहीं नहीं नहीं, ऐसा ही है, ऐसा ही होता है. द अदर वॉज दैट दिस इज अफेक्टिंग माई ग्रोथ, एंड कहाँ से आ रहा है. तो माई जर्नी इज डिफरेंट. आई रियलाइज मेरा ट्रॉमा से आ रहा है, या वट एवर, दैट्स अ सेपरेट थिंग. बट वट आई एम सेइंग इज, इफ वी हैव टू डिस्कस पेट्रियार्की, देन वी नीड टू फर्स्ट आइडेंटिफाई विदाउट जजमेंट that, okay, like let's say if you're a man, you'll have to identify and see, oh my god, I am displaying patriarchy. That doesn't make you a bad person. On the contrary, if you identify it and acknowledge it, that probably makes you a very good human being. By good, I mean a human being that we all want to strive to be, a human being who's constantly growing and learning, right? Similarly, women need to identify. I'll go a step further and say it is actually taking a full responsibility for all women. we have uplifted the patriarchal system. And again, what is the why behind it? The why is upliftment क्यों की हमने, like why have we been holding it कि नहीं नहीं, मतलब just like a little digression अगर करूँ मैं यहाँ पर, कि कैसे औरतों ने इसको बढ़ावा दिया है। औरतों ने बढ़ावा ऐसे दिया है अपनी बेटियों को बोल बोल के थिंग्स लाइक हाँ बेटा ठीक है, लेकिन तुम्हें पता है आदमी ऐसे ही होते हैं, है ना, तो कर लो, थोड़ा एडजस्ट कर लो। दीज काइंड स्टेटमेंट्स विच आर वेरी डबल, दे ट्विस्टेड, बिकॉज इन वन वे यू आर ट्राइंग टू शो, and look, all of it is happening in the subconscious level, okay? Before any of you start getting offended, I need to say this, ये subconscious level पे हो रहा है। ये मैं खुद भी सोचा है अपने लिए कि हाँ हाँ to you know manage the situation ना, या मैं ही कर लेती हूँ because we are the maturer ones, you know, and men तो are like that, उनका तो ईगो को ही करना है, चलो इतना तो मिल रहा है। This is a very I would say twisted and warped sense of patriarchy that exists in women, because like I've said enough number of times, we are so used to breadcrumbs now that we have lost ourselves, we've lost our self-worth, we've lost our self-respect, कि इतना सा मिलता है तो हमें लगता है चलो देखो इतनी औरतें तो, इतनी औरतों की तो जम के धुलाई हो रही है, दे आर बीइंग मिसट्रीटेड, देयर बाउंड्रीज आर बीइंग वायलेटेड, दे आर बीइंग सेक्सुअली एक्सप्लॉइटेड, दे आर बीइंग मेंटली एक्सप्लॉइटेड, फिजिकली एक्सप्लॉइटेड, साइकोलॉजिकली एक्सप्लॉइटेड, अब्यूज्ड, एवरीथिंग। मेरे साथ तो ये नहीं हो रहा। Is this the way we want to live our lives? I don't think so. And I really hope that this video is shown to girls that are growing up that no dude, no, it's a big no. I'm sorry if I don't like it. And again, don't combine this with entitlement. वो भी पंगा है, but क्या, but you know what, my personal opinion, I'd rather have women who are entitled going ahead than women who are bowing to patriarchy. And if they can't make out the difference, well then let them be entitled. I'm sorry, that is my opinion. And yeah, you can do whatever you want with it. So I'd rather that a girl growing up, or even women now who want to change and can change, identify that sorry boss, I don't like this, I'm not liking it, थोड़ा सा भी अगर अंदर conflict हो रहा है, then have the strength to see, okay, this is not feeling right, why is this not feeling right, study, read, पढ़े लिखे हैं ना सब, ऑफ कोर्स आई एम एड्रेसिंग पीपल हु आर पढ़ा लिखा, तभी तो आप देख रहे हो यूट्यूब, राइट? सो और नहीं भी हो, नहीं भी पढ़ना लिखना आता, लेट्स से सम ऑफ यू आर वाचिंग हु कांट रीड और राइट, गो फाइंड आउट, या गो फाइंड, क्यों सर्वाइव करने के लिए वी ऑल गो आउट, राइट? टू अर्न मनी वी ऑल गो आउट, लेकिन अपने आप का जो होता है ना एक अपने आप की इज्जत करना, अपने आप को प्यार देना, वो समहाउ इज लाइक द लास्ट, यू नो व्हाई? बिकॉज ऑफ फियर। फियर कहाँ से जनरेट हुआ है? पेट्रियार्की से। It's such a well-woven, interwoven system built very, very long ago. You know, I will not get into it, but those two books that I mentioned, you know, उसके अंदर इतना clearly लिखा है कि भैया जिस दिन आदमी किसान और फार्मर से उठ के मशीनरीज में, मशीन्स में घुस गया था, उस दिन से, बिकॉज जब तक वो किसान था, हिज सेंस men do like their properties, that's how they're built. Women like nurturing, men like to own. This is the basic fundamental difference between men and women. That is understood. ठीक है, हमारे we are constituted differently. Fair enough. That does not mean that we will exploit the other. I am yet to come across any woman who is exploiting a man based on what? You know, she may be lying or saying things why to keep the man, you know, but not necessarily to do these twisted things, you know. Whereas men, क्योंकि बहुत पहले से it is like a generational thing where when a man moved from owning agricultural land, which gave him a sense of pride, or his ego was being satisfied, he moved to machines, right, where he became a worker. So that sense of owning land and property kind of started to disappear, but the need still remained. So where did he fulfill his need? With women. And because he started to do that, and then comes sexuality, fertility, child rearing, and then the belongingness, that oh, monogamy, all these things have their roots in that space. Okay, now उसमें अभी आज अगर हम बैठ के आदमियों को you know, we keep thrashing them, that's also not fair. But at the same time, I would like to ask men, then is it fair that women have been subject to this for so many years? And today, another thing I would like to say is, I feel औरतों का ही काम है क्या कि समझना है, चेंज करना है हमने अपने आप को? Why are men not being taught these things? So I think now the time has come, and here I would again like to take another example of the baby boomer generation, which is our parents, right? So I'm in my 40s, so my parents who are in their 60s or early 70s, they are the baby boomer generation. At least I'm talking about India now, okay? उस टाइम पे scarcity थी, they were running behind getting settled, ये वो, and it was a time of scarcity, and they wanted to fulfill that. In that, different areas of our country, some of them focused on educating their children properly, and which included girls too. Although, see, another very twisted form of patriarchy here is हमने तो अपनी लड़कियों को भी पढ़ाया है. That in itself is such an effed up situation and a statement. हमने तो अपनी लड़कियों को भी पढ़ाया है. Boss, education is a fundamental right. So really cut the crap. कोई आपने एहसान नहीं किया, but at the same time, उस टाइम पे यही माहौल था, तो यू कांट ब्लेम देम ईदर. सी, इट्स अ लिटिल लाइक डबल साइडेड, विच इज़ वाई इट्स ग्रे, इट्स नॉट ब्लैक एंड वाइट. सो माई पॉइंट इज, जो वो बेबी बूमर जनरेशन था ना, उन वो जो है, आई फील वहाँ से सबसे ज़्यादा थोड़ा ये ट्विस्ट हुआ है. बट वहाँ से दैट्स ऑल्सो द प्लेस वेयर थिंग्स स्टार्टेड टू look up, where, because I know my mother belongs to that generation, right? And she fought a lot. I have seen her fighting in trains, in like public places openly, and being told to shut up but not shutting up, and that time, because I was a kid, तो मुझे तो क्या समझ ही नहीं थी कि patriarchy क्या होता है ये सब. But I used to feel कि safety, security, I would wonder, and then what safety, security, why, what do you mean by safety? So safety, see, when you say safety, again, the foundation is somewhere the fact that हम डरे रहते हैं as women, that अगर ऐसा होगा तो हमारे साथ कुछ हो जाएगा physically. See, do you understand how flawed this statement is? लेकिन I know कि मैं वैसे ही behave करती, मेरा दिमाग वैसे है, मेरी conditioning हो चुकी है. I mean, I will not step out alone, Isn't this so fundamentally wrong? So these things need to be taught to our children today, and I feel more than girls, it is boys. And I have taken that pledge a long time ago, where I am raising my son in a way that that addresses these things, and I keep giving him my own examples, that beta आपको ऐसा कैसा लगेगा, वैसा कैसा लगेगा if this thing happens to your mother, because आदमियों को या लड़कों को ना, anything with their mother, they understand first. This is all Freudian psychology, and a lot of, like, it goes in a different space, so इसको I will not talk about much. But my point is that अगर ये इतना strong bond है of a son with his mother, then I feel the only thing that today women probably need to do is, especially women with sons, what they need to do, including myself, is to educate their sons about the principles uh, of the influence or the effects of patriarchy. Why did they come? Not just say कि ये खराब है, ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए, वैसे नहीं. Get into the root of it, get into the cause. ये क्यों शुरू हुआ और आज क्यों ये relevant नहीं है, and why we are all equal. And when I say equal, there's a difference between equity and equality that all of you know. So again, that is something I'm not going to touch today, right? But my point is, love, respect, boundaries, these things have to be taught to our sons, and I'm doing that. And at the same time, whenever I'm doing it, I see myself in my own thinking that is so it is so conditioned with patriarchy. There are times when I do listen to myself saying stuff like, हाँ चलो ये तो हो गया, like it's insane how deeply entrenched it is. But कहीं से तो शुरुआत करें, नहीं? So I think that is important. And जाते जाते एक चीज़ बोलना चाहूँगी to all the men out there, and if you have daughters, number one, and of course if you are related with women, कुछ sentences बोलना या बंद करना ज़रूरी है. Even stuff like telling a woman to keep quiet because she's raising her voice is the first red flag of patriarchy. Reason, you can't tolerate it. How about the woman tolerating so many things that you are doing because we are supposed to? What about things that you are supposed to? Women biologically have very different voice boxes, and the moment they will start getting agitated or impatient or even hurt or anything, that is a natural reaction. Just like men take less than a second to start fighting physically. Why is this not acceptable? That's number one. Number two, things like ladies first and all has been done to death. So why? What ladies first nonsense? It's not required. Then some things like mothers and fathers. बेटा ऐसे ही होता है, ये थोड़ा से मतलब ये सही नहीं है. तो question क्वेश्चन इट, जस्ट क्वेश्चन इट, लाइक सही नहीं क्यों है, क्योंकि ये पेट्रियार्कल अंडरपिनिंग्स हैं इसके, या सच में आपको लगता है इट्स नॉट गुड. देयर इज अ डिफरेंस. Look, there is a difference. And just to be very crass right now, this whole thing about clothing and stuff. Yeah, some pieces of clothing on women or men for that matter are inappropriate. What does inappropriate mean? Inappropriate means भैया एक तरीके के कपड़े आपने एक जगह पे पहने, वो सही नहीं लग रहे हैं यार, किसी को सही नहीं लग रहे हैं तो मत पहनो. That's basic being civilized, being civil. लेकिन ये कि वो देखो ये कपड़े पहने हैं एंड ऐसे नहीं पहनने चाहिए क्योंकि यू माइट गेट अटैक्ड और यू माइट गेट वायलेटेड. नाउ दैट इज माई प्रॉब्लम. That's a problem I have. That is where I feel that the choice and the independence and the freedom to do or wear whatever one wants lies in the person, in the wearer. राइट. तो सटल डिफरेंसेस हैं, सटल हैं, वो जानने में टाइम लगेगा. तो आज का वीडियो आई थिंक इफ आई हैव टू फुल्ली लास्ट में जस्ट काइंड ऑफ bring it all together, it is a request because all of us are women are the victims of patriarchy in one way or another, whether we want to believe it or not, we have experienced it. So this one goes out to women to start to examine it and maybe start raising their voices or at least make a change in the way they act. And it is a very very strong and loud call to men to start to examine how they are also the biggest victims of patriarchy and maybe they are practicing it without even knowing it. So थोड़ा पढ़िए इसको because at the end of the day we all have to live together. and अभी तो जी मशीन्स ही आ रही है हमें रूल करने के लिए, तो हम आपस में तो एक साथ एक दूसरे को रिस्पेक्ट कर ही सकते हैं एंड समझ सकते हैं एक दूसरे को एंड अपने अंदर झांक के देखें कि ठीक है ये गलत हो रहा है, ये चेंज करना चाहिए. एंड चेंज is very easy. People say that change is tough, but जब पैसा होता है, when you have to go behind money or you're changing a job at whatever age, then suddenly change becomes very easy. But just because it has to be done from within, it becomes tough because it's convenient. These are a few things we all will want to and have to and need to examine, explore, acknowledge, accept, and then change. I hope it made sense and I will see you soon. Bye.